guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I've been out for a while now, but life, life is just happening, nothing much. And I know I've had a lot of weight. The last time I checked my weight, I was like 200 pounds, and that was like months ago. But only God knows how much I weigh right now. I'll be going to the gym very soon, so. But yeah, right now I need to fix my hair. I need to get myself together. Yeah, I need to fix my hair. And what else? I think I'm gonna be showing you guys the things I got from Amazon. Just like a mini unboxing video, and I'll be doing grocery shopping tomorrow, because my hair is gonna take forever, so I'm not really gonna have time today. But yeah, that's that's what I'm gonna be doing, to be honest. Nothing much, but yeah, that's about it, to be honest. My hair, going shopping, and a mini unboxing video. If I'm gonna add anything, I'll let you guys know. Yeah. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, I can't believe I just recorded a video with no fucking sound. I wasted my whole time shooting a video and it has no sound. That shit just got me tight, but it's okay. But anyways, I just got my hair done, and I mean, it looks nice. It's giving what it's supposed to give. This is what I asked for, and she did a good job. I'm not gonna lie. I like my edges, but I don't think I'll be able to do what she did with my edges. I'm gonna try to do something, but not exactly this, because I'll be having a hard time doing my edges. That shit is difficult. But anyways, I promised y'all an unboxing video, so I got stuff from Amazon that I'm gonna be showing you guys, and we're just gonna get right into it. I got me, this is for my skincare. It's a cleanser from CeraVe. CeraVe, that's how you say it? CeraVe? Yeah, CeraVe, whatever. But you get what I'm trying to say. This is a facial cleanser that I got. I got me a water bottle. So I noticed that I don't drink a lot of water. I could go a whole day not drinking water. So what I did was I got me this water bottle, and it has this it has 8 a.m., 10 a.m. So basically every 2 hours I gotta drink water. I mean, that's cool. And I like the color. It has my favorite color, my 2 favorite colors. So cute. Hold on, I'm sorry. Hopefully this thing is recording with sound. I got me this is a camera bag. It's supposed to be bigger than this, because the picture I saw, it was bigger than this, but because this could only fit my camera, it can't really fit my tripod and my other stuff. But I guess I'm gonna return this and get me a bigger bag, because this can't do nothing for me. For my skincare, it's for hyperpigmentation, because I have really bad hyperpigmentation, really bad. So someone told me to get this, and it's gonna help. That's what I heard. Hopefully it does. But yeah, this is what we have right here. Right. right here. And also this one. So I guess I'm supposed to use one for nighttime and one in the morning. But I'm gonna get into it and see which one it is which. Yeah. I'm gonna get into it and see which one is which. Let me put it back in the boxes. Got me Snickers. It's nothing crazy. It's just a very basic. Oh shit. I'm sorry. It's a very basic Snickers. It's nothing. It's nothing serious. Yeah. Nothing serious. I got me cotton pads for also my skin, for skincare. Yeah, I just got me cotton pads. Nothing much. I also got me a weight board. The last time I checked my weight, I was like 200 pounds, and that was like months and months ago. And that's because I do not have a weight board. And I just decided to get me one to keep in touch with my weight, you know? I also got me, can you see the packaging? Just hold on and see the packaging. Like, this is dope, really dope. But I got me makeup brushes, okay? Makeup brushes. I'm so funny. But yeah, I really like the packaging though. Really do. Got me some socks. These are like gym wears. Yeah, gym wears. I show you guys this already? I don't know, but I got me face towel too. And yeah, I got more packages coming. Can't wait to show you guys my packages that is about to arrive. And yeah, so I'm gonna go grocery shopping. I'm trying to think what else I gotta do. Yeah, I just gotta go grocery shopping. And if I have to do anything else, I'll let you guys know. I'll just let you guys know. Yeah, I'm gonna go grocery shopping. And yeah, that's about it. Nothing crazy, nothing much, you know. I keep on looking here and I'm supposed to look here. Like, bruh. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. What's poppin', guys? I just got home from shopping. It was a lot of people in the store today. It was really rowdy. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat lunch and Yeah, I'm just about to eat. Hold on. Oh, shit. Sorry. Yum, yum, yum. Can't wait to eat. I got me rice and plantain. And this is buka sauce. It's like an African food. Can't wait to. I'm gonna start dieting soon. So what I'm trying to do is eat all the things I'm gonna miss before I really start my diet. Cause, yeah. But I'm just gonna have lunch and round up this video. To be honest, I'm gonna see you guys later. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later.